In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this neon text reveal in After Effects without plugins. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 65 of 365. First, grab the text tool and let's type something. Center this with Ctrl Home and Ctrl Home. And now we have to create some shapes from this text layer. So right click this layer, go to create and select create shapes from text. We don't need this text layer anymore, so you can delete it. And we don't need this fill, so go here to fill, to the word, click it and select here to disable it. Now open the layer, select contents and let's add some stroke, add a stroke there. And here you can increase the stroke width however you want. I'm gonna leave it like that. Change the butt cap to round cap and milter join to round join. Now add some dash and you have to increase this to something like 150, something like that. Now go here to taper and increase this to 100. So now we have this. We have to animate the offset of these dashes. So if we increase this, you can see the dashes move. So let's make a keyframe here at the beginning, move forward and increase this to something like 300 or a little less. This is these keyframes with F9 and let's see the animation. Now we have to add a trim path so we can reveal this text. So go here to add, select trim path, open trim path and make a keyframe here for end at the beginning. Set this to 0, press U to see all the keyframes. Go a little behind these keyframes, so something like here, and increase this to 100%. Now select both keyframes and this is with F9. So now you will see all the letters reveal at the same time, but we want to reveal letter by letter. Go here inside trim path and instead of simultaneously select individually. So now it will reveal letter by letter. And don't worry that you can't see the whole text yet. We're going to fix that in a moment. Now you can change the color of the text. I'm gonna select some color like this. And also let's add a glow effect to make this look more like a neon sign. So increase the glow radius to 50, duplicate this glow effect with Ctrl D. Now increase the glow radius to 200 and duplicate it one more time. Now increase the glow radius to 500. So now we have the glow done. You have to duplicate this layer with Ctrl D. Now you have to go here to the last keyframe of offsets and you have to move this until the two lines should match and it should look like this. And now here for the layer at the top we can change the color. So I'm gonna make this like a light pink. And also let's change the blend mode of this layer to add. For the moment now we have this animation. Okay, we already have this animation. It's a pretty cool animation, but we're going to make some tweaks yet. So the first tweak we're going to do is to the layer of the top. Go here to add and select wiggle path. This will make this funny effect to all the lines, all the strokes. It's basically a wiggle, so it moves over time, but we want this to be stationary, to be static, to don't move. So we're going to set the wiggles per second to 0. Also increase the correlation to 100%. So that's because now if we increase the size, you will see it will shrink. And now we have this cool effect. And also you can increase or decrease the detail. This is how you like it. I'm gonna increase it a little bit. And now we have to animate the size of the wiggle path. So go at the beginning, make a keyframe for the size, press U to see all the keyframes and go to the last keyframe and decrease the size to 0. There you go. Now grab both keyframe and easy them with F9. And now we will have this animation. There you have it. Very cool, right? Also, let's offset this layer. So let's move it in the timeline like 3 keyframes forward. And to have more details, I'm going to duplicate this layer with Ctrl D, also offset this in time, and I'm going to change the color. Go here to content, stroke 1, and change. And there you go. Looks pretty sick. Also here for the layer at the middle and the layer at the top, I'm gonna decrease the stroke by a little bit. I think I have to decrease this in content, stroke 1, and here I can decrease it, yeah. So I'm gonna try 6 with this, and this at the top I'm going to decrease it to 5. And the last touch is that you can also animate the intensity of the glow. So if you want this to flicker or stop glowing that much, search here in the timeline glow intensity, and now we have a lot of glow effects. We can just grab all of these glow effects with shift click. I hope this works, and parent all of them to one glow intensity, like this for example. Okay, I have to parent them one by one, and this. And now you can just animate this glow parameter. So let's see here at the end, and we can decrease the glow here. This is this, and now let's see. And so yeah, that's all for today's tutorial. Join Animation Essentials in the link in the description and become a confident animator. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.